Guys, so here we are in the Alton Towers Hotel. We are in the Alton Towers Hotel, like I just say. Standard room 108. Let's go have a look and do a room tour and review. So, welcome to the Explorer room in the Alton Towers Hotel. We're in room 108 and this is our room. This is a basic room in the Alton Towers Hotel. These are the standard rooms. They come equipped with a bunk bed, like so, which it's a very low bunk bed. If you're a child, like even a child would hit their head on that. Top bunk gets quite a lot of room. I do like the wallpaper here. It's a little bit like dated, but it's all nice and clean. The bed is a standard double bed. Yeah, silent night mattresses and all that, so comfy as ever. One thing I really do like about these rooms is they have these bits of artwork around the room, which is all about Sir Algernon, which is like the owner of the hotel and like the old Alton Towers mascot. So they're all like individual. I believe there are like different ones in different rooms. There are a few. I've seen that one before, but like this one, for example, I haven't seen before. You get tea and coffee making facilities here, so you always get a packet of biscuits, 2 packets. I don't know whether that's per person in the room, but we've always had 2 and there's 2 of us. Tea and coffee, of course. TV here, which has Freeview on it. Is there anything in the drawers, Lou? There is a hairdryer, and 2 head. This is like the most.
Oh, that's crazy.
This is like a little like crazy one. So we got 2 hairdryers in this room.
It's obviously the right one.
What else? Nothing. All these drawers are quite empty. Quite a lot of storage room, but I imagine most people will be like us will be staying here for only one night. There is a place to sit down here and a small little desk. Heating in here. The heating is you don't get any aircon in these standard rooms, but you get just like a basic heating, which has this like little PIR sensor to know whether you're in the room or not, so whether to heat it. As all the Alton Towers rooms do have, they have these custom carpet, which I think is quite cool. It's done like an adventure mat with like various bits on the floor. One good thing, of course, if you have a large party and you're sharing rooms, you can ask to be neighbouring rooms, and this has an adjoining door to the room next door. Of course, make sure it's locked. Let's go into the bathroom now. The bathroom's pretty basic in here, but it serves a purpose. We've got a nice sink in here, very large. The soap Louise bought with her, because we just have one that we bring when we go away. You've got a shaver port, nice mirror. Comes with the standard bath essentials, the conditioner and body wash and the soap. Towels are included in the rooms as you'd expect. It's got this nice powerful shower. These, from past experiences, are very good shower heads and very powerful. The water's also very good and nice and hot. You don't really get any cold spells. For some reason, this hotel loves square toilets, which
Not this again.
I don't like square toilets.
Every time.
You know, if you agree with me, put it in the comments. But
No one's going to talk about that.
My bum is not square. We have a cot down here and an ironing board.
I wonder how much that gets used.
Probably never. There's some hangers here which are actually detachable from them, but they're not like normal hangers, so if you're one of those people that steal hangers from hotels, you're out of luck here. There is this small like area here which we're just using for bag storage, but you can sit there. There's a seat here and a bin. As with all hotel rooms, I just think this is a thing with hotel rooms. The lighting isn't great in here. Like, you got a light here and a few lamps. Like, we've been in far worse rooms, but you know, it's not bad as hotels go, is it, for lighting? You've got our room out of view. We're on the first floor, so we're right down low, so we're not going to get interrupted really. The car park's just up there. The VIP parking spots up there. Yeah, not too bad. A little bit run down in certain areas, like we got a strange stain on the ceiling.
And hair.
And yeah, some hair on the windowsill. But overall, the condition of the room is livable. Like I say, you're
Very
already...
nice.
Yeah, you're going to be here for a night. The bed's nice and clean. The overall aesthetics is clean. There's, like I say, a few things that are worn down. But overall, can't complain, to be honest. Right guys, so that is my room review on a Alton Towers Explorer room in the Alton Towers Hotel. If you have any comments or any questions that I haven't covered in this video, by all means leave a comment and I'll get back to you on it, because why not? We're going to go have a look around the hotel, maybe have a round of golf and then go get some food. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching and bye!